Hello and welcome to the video. Now, a while ago I made a video about using bicarbonate of soda to kill rats, and it generated quite a bit of interest, and a lot of people want to know what the outcome was. I'll just say from the start that I wasn't really trying to get rid of all the rats on the place. The purpose of it was to find out whether this actually works or not. I watch a lot of videos where people have used it and said they've had great results, but I never actually saw any evidence. Nobody on the videos that I watched showed a heap of dead rats that had been killed. So the question on everybody's lips, did it actually work? Well, I have to say, in my opinion, it's a complete load of bollocks. I didn't find a single rat that I could say was killed by bicarbonate soda. It might have killed a few, I don't know. I didn't find anything, so it has to go down as a no in my book, because I didn't find any evidence that it worked. So there you have it. So what happened next? Well, basically we got overrun with rats to the point where we had to call in a pest control expert. He came, did his stuff, and we're fairly rat free at the moment. There's one or two kicking about, but there always will be on a farm. I'll put a picture up of the stuff that he used to bait the traps with. Not traps, they're bait stations where basically puts the stuff in, the rats run through it and eat the poison. We don't do it because you have to have a license to buy this stuff, so it's best left to the professionals. The comments were interesting. I had a lot of suggestions: plaster of Paris, cement, and God knows what, all sorts of other things. Thanks for the tips, but I think we'll just leave it to the pest controllers. We do have a couple of cats kicking around the farm. Denzel's particularly good at catching things when he can be asked, but we all know if I employed an army of cats to get rid of these things, we'd have no songbirds left either, so we kind of like those kicking around the place, so the cat option's not on the table. I had a lot of interest from guys with air rifles. A lot of offered their services up very kindly to come and get rid of the rats for us. But most of our rats are in the sheds with the livestock, and we just don't want people, even ourselves, going in with guns and shooting rats. I know they're only air rifles, but they can still cause a lot of damage. And I know you guys are probably very professional at it and very good at it, but again, it's just a no for us. We don't want to go down that road. So there you have it. Somebody suggested an owl or two, and I like that one. I think we'll be very busy, and I am going to put up an owl box, a nest box in this shed. So we'll see if that does any good. So in conclusion, well, it was a bit of fun. I don't think I'll be trying it again though, but never mind. And I would like to say a big thank you to everyone who watched the video, everybody who commented, and in particular all those of you who subscribed. A big thanks. Oh yes, there was one other thing. I'd just like to say that in the making of that video, no vegans or vegetarians were harmed at all, so there you go. Mind you, I haven't seen any kicking about here, so who knows. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that cleared a few things up for some people, and thanks again for watching.